Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 fuel gauge malfunction issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A fuel gauge malfunction in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as the gauge reading empty or full incorrectly, fluctuating while driving, getting stuck at one level, or not matching the actual fuel level in the tank. Verified owner reports and service information show that fuel gauge concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on fuel system design, electrical components, and vehicle usage. One verified and frequently reported cause involves the fuel level sending unit. This component measures fuel level inside the tank, and wear or internal failure can cause inaccurate or inconsistent gauge readings. Another confirmed cause relates to wiring or electrical connection issues. Damaged wiring, poor ground connections, or corroded connectors between the fuel tank and the instrument cluster can interrupt signal transmission, leading to incorrect gauge behavior. Instrument cluster or gauge control-related issues are also documented factors. Faults within the cluster electronics or internal gauge circuitry can result in erratic readings even when the fuel level sensor is functioning properly. Fuel pump module-related concerns have also been reported. In many F-150 models, the fuel level sensor is integrated into the fuel pump assembly, and problems within this assembly can affect gauge accuracy. Software or calibration-related behavior is another verified consideration. In some cases, control module communication issues or calibration errors may cause the gauge to display incorrect fuel levels. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include fuel tank contamination affecting sensor movement, recent battery disconnection resetting learned values, or temporary electrical signal interruptions. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include scanning for fault codes, inspecting wiring and connectors, testing the fuel level sending unit, diagnosing instrument cluster operation, and replacing the fuel pump module when the sensor is confirmed faulty. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 fuel gauge issues are resolved through sender or fuel pump module replacement rather than complete instrument cluster replacement. However, experiences vary by model year, fuel system configuration, and mileage. In conclusion, Ford F-150 fuel gauge malfunctions are typically linked to fuel level sender wear, electrical connection issues, instrument cluster behavior, or fuel pump module faults. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.